Because you'll see sometimes way more women getting in shape than the men. It's a flip-flop. It's a flip-flop.
I've met transgenders a lot. A lot of women are taking shit to turn themselves.
You mean lady boys?
Yeah, like this one chick at my gym.
You mean soy boys?
Pretty much.
You mean chicks with dicks?
Yep, pretty much.
You mean
they chop the dick off, or they
mentally challenged people, retarded people?
Yep. That's pretty much what it is. My friend was telling me, like, it's when you start doing that, you're lost, bro. Why do you change your sex? What are you doing?
Very true.
What are you doing?
He ain't gotta say it. Huh, what's up? You about to die? Oh man, I'm gonna say what I'm gonna say. 21 minutes. It's all good. We're gonna cut out the certain stuff. Hey, I'm gonna say it on here. Take your words together because I don't want to go too wild.
For me,
no, forget y'all are retards. Most of them people that be doing trans say y'all are retards.
Mentally challenged.
And it's not like I'm old, man. We say retard back then. I gotta say mentally challenged now.
For me, it's
mentally challenged. What's the difference between mentally challenged and retards?
Yeah, you mentally challenged.
No, man. I mean, some stuff got to be said, man. And you think I'm saying it like in a mean way, but actually, honestly, retard was not meant to be a mean word. It was actually a medical word. It was medical at first, and then people turned it to something that was negative and looks like it's bad. It used to be a medical word.
Yeah. Oh, you're retarded.
It was medical. It was like the doctor would write it on your pad. He is retarded. It was just like, okay, what we gotta do? But now it's bad. Exactly. Then at one point, we didn't acknowledge all the people that just want to, chicks with dicks and all that stuff. They didn't want to do that. I mean, at first they did call it like a they would give you like pills. They were like, "Well, you're not that." But all of a sudden now we're supposed to accept it.
Yeah.
But I think that I'm not trying to be mean, but I'm like, I think we should acknowledge it and get the people to help. I don't think I should like push on your delusion. I believe that there's something wrong with you, and I don't want you to die. I don't want nothing to happen to you. I want you to get some help. I need to go talk to somebody. I need you to realize this is not you. It's in your mind. I'm trying to help you. Like, I'm trying to help. It's a help thing. It's not a negative thing. But it's just you're not that. So why there's like another thing that we just accept. We want to do better as people, man. It seems like we're just going backwards.
I think for me, that's just causing a lot of mass confusion.
It is.
When you look at other people, now you're gonna be like, excuse me, miss or mister, or like this one female I used to go to school with. She dresses like a man, like a boy.
Yeah, it's cool.
And she was approaching the female's bathroom, right? So the teacher's like, excuse me, young man, she got offended. I'm like, why are you getting offended? You portray yourself as this man, but you know you're a girl. Why are you getting mad that she's calling you that?
That's what you wanted, right?
Yeah, exactly. You see what I'm saying? It's confusing people. Don't do that.
I don't think it's the clothes thing. If some girl they want to dress that way, this is cool.
Yeah, I get it.
You're just not a dude, but you can dress. You can wear it. I don't care what you wear.
Yeah.
But don't portray yourself, because when it comes to a certain point, you don't want to be a dude. You want to be a dude sometimes.
Him, her, them, they, or whatever.
Said, man, this is retarded.
Pronouns and shit.
This is the most retarded world that we live in right now, man. It's really just it's only really happening over here.
You watch Futurama?
I know.
That's what's going on right now.
That's how I used to remember. I used to watch it when I was like a kid. I used to sneak and watch it on
funny as hell. I love that show.
It used to be on Cartoon Network.
Adult Swim.
There you go. I used to watch it on there.
Come on at like 10:30.
I just sneak and watch it as a kid. Yeah,
it's
I
like
remember.
Simpsons in the future. So funny, bro.
Yeah,
I love that show.
But it was doing it, and you see how in that show.
Transgenders, all that shit is coming.
Everything. You don't know what is what.
Coming. You're confused. Now we got humanoids, all these robots coming in. It's just coming.
It's weird. It's weird, but it's gonna happen. I don't think it's gonna happen when we're here.
Oh my gosh.
I think probably like 200 years, probably about 200 years from now, we're gone. I bet it's gonna be similar to that.
Our grandkids,
it's gonna be like,
bro, my daddy was right about this.
Cause this tape's gonna be out. It's gonna be like, oh snap, they gonna find something with you, man. They gonna be like, your great granddad, you be gone. They be like, yo, yeah, that's your great granddad. Yeah. look at the adult toys on him. Yeah. Look at him, he doing his thing. Yeah. Like, oh, grandpa was wild. He was doing his thing.
That's why I like doing shit like this, because this is history, bro.
But it is part of our
history.
And like I said, people use these streams and this internet for different reasons. I'm using it for two things: for the memories, and really to show men at this age and this time they were
like
real
when
men.
you was posting those shits, I was like, yo, that was 2 years ago.
That's what I'm saying. It's memories,
man.
That's
not came back from Florida, and I was like, yo, what up? That shit was lit, bro.
Exactly. We got tapes from like 3-4 years ago.
We've been linking up every year too.
Every year. So that's why we're gonna use it. I know how to use it. Cause I understand. I knew this back then. I was like, yo, we got to show progression. We got to show certain type of men, and just to show that, yo, there's some real, masculinity out here. There's some real progression, because you can see like, oh, he started here, he started there. He always got his boy KP on there. We always doing his thing.